Good morning, Skyhawks. Today is Friday, May 1st, and I'm your host, James, with this week's Skyhawk Live Home Edition. Now let's begin today with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please rise. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. As a Skyhawk, I soar. I am safe. I am on task. I am achieving goals. I am respectful and responsible. I will show self-confidence and optimism. You may be seated. Now let's head over to Ava and Mr. Bond with a construction update.
Hi Skyhawk, it's Ava.
And Mr. Bond.
Today we will be giving you a construction update at Sacajawea.
We've got new siding, a new roof, new doors and windows and bathrooms, all being installed at one time. And wait till you see the new gym, cafeteria, and dance space. It's amazing!
There's a lot of work at Sacajawea right now. Right now there is a new sidewalk that's coming in and entering.
Hey Skyhawks, over here you can see the concrete's getting ready to be poured for our new kitchen. Let's get cooking! The new covered play area is going right behind us. Can't wait to stay dry on those rainy days.
My dad doesn't know this, but I'm putting a new pool for all you Skyhawks.
Thanks, Ava and Mr. Bond. And now it's time for the Skyhawk Live Joke of the Day. Why was the math teacher a good dancer? Because she had algorithm. Last week, Mr. Bookman ended up on Mombasa Island in Kenya. Let's find out where he is now on another episode of Where in the World is Mr. Bookman?
Mr. Bookman. Hello, Skyhawks. Sorry about the noise. I got tired of working on a boat, getting seasick every week. And since I'm out of money, I can't buy a plane ticket. So, I'm doing the next best thing. I'm working for a pilot. Her name's Amelia. She takes me anywhere she goes, and this week we're flying northeast. I don't know where we're going. I keep asking her, Amelia, what country are we going to? And she says, no country. 3 country. Big earthquake, October 8, 2005. Whoa! That bird just hit me. Anyway, it looks like I'm gonna need your help once again, Skyhawks. Please, do an online search with your parents and find a place that's not 1 country, but 3 countries. And don't forget, they had a big earthquake, October 8th, 2005. And then email your answer to Mr. Bendewald so I can know which way to go from here. I get closer to home each week with your help. Have a great week. Bye! Mr. Bookman.
And now let's head over to Chase with another exciting science experiment.
Hello, my name is Chase with this week's science experiment. Today we will be doing the bouncy egg experiment. The bouncy egg experiment is when an eggshell dissolves in vinegar. This is because stuff called calcium carbonate in the shell, and it will start getting soft and parts of it will start floating up to the top. After about 3 days, the eggshell should completely dissolve and all you will see is a clear bubble in the shape of an egg with the yolk inside. I tried this experiment with both apple cider vinegar and white vinegar. I did the same with the eggs, organic and white. Both had different things happen to them. Sadly, my egg exploded in the process of making this video. It was not as bouncy as the other egg, I guess. The cool thing is that the yolk was actually touchable. It didn't explode when you touched it or anything. It's just didn't really do anything. It was like rubber. It was amazing. As you can see, I have a clear egg. It's organic, but still. I did have 2 eggs. As you can tell, one of them exploded, but I'm gonna try and poke a hole. It explodes, right? But as you can see in the next video, it's gonna do something that's pretty dang cool. As you can see, there's an eggshell in there. But the thing is, that doesn't look like an eggshell. It just looks like gross stuff. That's an eggshell. It looked invisible, but it's not. Then there's the yolk. The yolk is so weird. That's the egg whites that is all sticky, but the yolk is it's weird. It's like rubbery, sort of. And it was a really cool experience that I really liked. And some of you guys should try it one day.
Thanks, Chase. Next up is our fitness tip with Isabella.
Hey Skyhawks, it's me Isabella, and today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you ways to exercise your mind.
Let's get started.
You could do some Sudoku or any fun math games. Or you could do a really fun puzzle. Or you could do a crossword puzzle. You could also do a fun Lego set. Thanks for watching, Skyhawks. Keep on soaring and make sure to stay active for 30 minutes each day. Bye!
Thanks, Isabella. Did you complete this week's dance challenge? Let's check it out on Groovin' with Goss.
Hi Skyhawks, how are we doing today? I have to tell you, not a lot makes me happier these days than getting to see your wonderful dance videos. Keep on uploading to the Creative Movement folder in Seesaw. I love it. It really brings a smile to my face. Whoa, what's that now? The Blinding Lights Challenge. All of those video submissions. Let's take a look.
everyone's favorite game show, Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader?
Are you smarter than a fifth grader? 'Cause there's gonna be a test later. Teacher, now we're back in school. Are you smarter than you used to be?
Hi, this is Brayden with another episode of Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Today I'm zooming here with the friendly 4th grade teacher, Mrs. Lomeli. Hi, Mrs. Lomeli.
Hi, Brayden. Hi, everybody.
Are you ready for this week's question?
I'll give it a go.
Here it is. Which mammal is capable of true flight?
A true flight. Oh, bats.
Congratulations, Miss Lomeli. You're smarter than a 5th grader.
I'm so relieved. You have no idea.
Are you smarter than a fifth grader? Grab a pencil and a piece of paper. Teacher, now we're back in school. So are you smart enough for the 5th grade?
Great job, Miss Lomeli. Now let's find out what's for lunch today with Madelyn.
Today I made Boston waffles. To make them I just used flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, eggs, and melted butter. Then you want to mix it together really well and start pouring it into the waffle maker. Our family likes to get very creative with the waffles, so you can try different toppings, put different stuff on it, whatever you think sounds good.
Thanks, Madelyn. That's all the news for this week, Skyhawks. Stay strong and stay healthy.
On my